So guys, it's another Blazor day, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with your mobile money wallet. So once you're at the BitAfrica app, just tap on this trade and tap on buy because we are buying Bitcoin. So I selected Bitcoins. Now you want to select your payment method. I've already linked my mobile money account, so you select it and then input the amount you want to buy. I want to buy 922 Ghana cedis worth of BTC, so I'll just click on buy, and then it says processing request. So I'll now tap on this buy button right here, and then I understand this. I've done this several times. So you just go ahead and copy their reference. It's very important. Their reference is very important. So now open your mobile and dial *170. There's a number on the page before this page.
Purchase your tracks today.
That's the number we are going to be sending the money into for it to be detected and loaded into your account. So this is the number. You see it on the BitAfrica app. So you just input their number and you repeat the number again. Once you're done with that, just tap on send and then input the amount. Let it be equal to the amount you selected in the BitAfrica app. I selected 922, so I'll go ahead and do that. And now the reference we copied, we will just paste it there, and then we will now go ahead. We will be charged only 9 Ghana cedis 22 pesos. So I'll go ahead and input my mobile money pin, and it says you have sent 922 Ghana cedis to BitAfrica Limited. So now I will just go to my app and then tap on done and wait for at least 3 or 5 minutes for it to reflect into my account. And this is the part I made a week ago, and it got 4,000. It's very simple. Just refresh the page for your payment to reflect in your accounts. Otherwise, you won't see it. So and you can see right here, $82.72. So this is how you buy Bitcoins with your Momo. Don't forget to follow up for more crypto.